Hello everyone, my name is SIDHU N and I am studying third semester from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In today's video, we will be going to learn about level of significance. Before that, we will learn what is the introduction of level of significance. Level of significance plays a crucial role in statistical analysis by determining whether the results of a study are meaningful. They help in researchers quantifying the likelihood of observing a given set of results purely by chance. Here are the definitions of levels of significance. First, the statistical cutoff. Level of significance set the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true, known as alpha level. Second is a confidence interval. They allow determine the confidence interval for the estimated parameter. A smaller level of significance yield a narrower confidence interval. Decision criteria. They provide the basis of accepting or rejecting a null hypothesis in hypothesis testing. Here are the importance of the level of significance in statistical analysis. First is data reliability. Level of significance ensures that a conclusion drawn from a data are reliable and robust and which can be used fairly to almost all the equation given. Standardization. They provide standardized approach to evaluate significance of study results access in different research discipline. Decision making. They help in making informed decision based on the evidence presented by the null hypothesis and the resulted proof. Here are the commonly used level of significance. First, we use 0.05 standard level is commonly used in many scientific disciplines. 0.01 stringent criteria. The 0.01 level is utilized when a higher standard of proof is required, and the 0.001 exacting standards. The 0.001 level is reserved for critical scientific and medical investigations. In this, now we'll learn why we should choose an appropriate level of significance during proving a null hypothesis is rejected or accepted. First, trade-offs. Choosing a lower level of significance reduces the chance of a type 1 error, but it increases the risk of type 2 errors. Context. It depends on the criticality of a decision based on the study and the potential impact of making wrong decisions. Next, there is a relation between a sample size and the level of significance. Increase in sample size allows the use of low significant levels without losing precision. Smaller sample size may require a higher significance level to achieve meaningful results. Here are a few examples of hypothesis testing using different level of significance. First, study A at 0.05 level concludes a significant difference between the groups of p-value of 0.047. At study B for 0.01 level requires stronger evidence for significant but identifies a smaller effect with p-value of 0.009, and the study C at 0.001 level demonstrates an exactly rare or extremely rare outcome of significant with p-value of 0.0003. Now we can see the limitations of using level of significance. First, it is a complex scenarios. They may not be appropriate in complex scenarios with multiple comparisons or non-normal data. Second is interpretation. A significant outcome may not always translate the practically significance or a real world impact. Here are the alternatives to use the level of significance distribution. Distribution free method, utilizing non-parametric test when the data violates the assumption of the traditional hypothesis test. And the effect size, focus on the magnitude of effect rather than just relying on the statistical significance. Key takeaways and the conclusion related to the level of significance is that the robust analysis level of significance ensures that the statistical analysis are conducted with methodological rigor and interpret with caution. Emphasize the importance of considering practical significance alongside with the statistical significance. In this video, till now we have learned about the level of significance, the importance, where we can be used, and the limitations, key takeaways, and many other things. But the main feature of this level of significance are which are used in the theorems, derivations, and problems to be solved, and many more things. And the main level of significance which we use to define the null hypothesis are at 1% level, 5% level, or you can say it is 99%, 95%, 50%, and also it can be used to solve many problems which are related to the statistical interference, so that it can be useful to derive many solutions. So that's all for today's video, and if you want to learn more about the level of significance or about the statistical inference related topics or any sums to be solved, you can pin in the comment box. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.